Good morning. Myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn about Rudramadevi. In the last class, we have learned how this Kakatiya kingdom conquered power over other kingdoms, what are Vadas, and all. We have learned the walls of the court and what are in the center to the main road, and all we have learned very clearly. Now, today we are going to learn about Rudramadevi. Rudramadevi. Have you heard of a brave woman ruler by the name of Rudramadevi? Yes, we heard. We have even seen movies on her, right? She was a powerful and successful ruler who impressed one and all with her abilities. So, this woman who is there, Rudramadevi, she is very powerful and successful ruler. Means her ruling was very successful. Everyone were happy with her. Everyone are impressed that see she have very good abilities, like very good talent. She can handle every problem in that sense. Rudrama Devi ruled from Orugallu, modern Varangal. So she ruled from Orugallu. That means that is the capital city of Kakatiya kingdom, right? Orugallu, and belonged to the famous Kakatiya family. So she belonged to which family? Kakatiya family. And she ruled from Orugallu. That is now it is called as Varangal. She ruled from 1216 to Common Era to 1289 Common Era. Means from which period to which period she ruled? From 1262 Common Era to 1289 Common Era. That is for nearly 27 years she ruled, right? She's great, no? She ruled for how many years? 27 years. In our country there have been very few women rulers. So in our country there are only few women rulers are there. Among them, one of the powerful women ruler was who? Rudramadevi. In distant Delhi too, there was a woman ruler called Razia Sultana some years before. Even in Delhi also, one of the brave women is there, very great woman leader is there. Her name is Razia Sultana. Few years before it was, her name is Razia Sultana. But her nobles did not like to be ruled by a woman and had killed her. Means all the followers and the other people who are there in her kingdom, they did not like a woman ruler. See, they did not like woman ruler, not her ruling, or they did not like, they are not saying that we did not like her abilities. It is a gender equality, inequality there. They did not like a woman ruling and they killed her. A famous traveler from Italy called Marco Polo visited Rudramadevi's kingdom and said that she was fearless, dressed herself like a man, and rode horses with ease. Means one of the traveler who is there, who is traveling India, Italian person. He came to Rudramadevi kingdom and he have seen everything there. He have seen Rudramadevi very closely and he's saying that she's fearless. She don't have any fear. She dressed herself like a boy. Her dressing, everything was like boy. She was dare and dashing, and she's riding what? Horse, very easily, like a boy. Even a girl can do like a boy in that sense. In fact, in inscriptions, Rudramadevi was known as Rudradeva Maharaja. So inscriptions, you all know, no, written one, what king or queen, the famous works done by the king or the queen of their period. So in that inscriptions, it was written that instead of Rudramadevi, they have written what? Rudradeva Maharaja, because she's dressed like what? A boy, no? So Rudramadevi, in the name of Rudramadevi, they have written her name as Rudradeva Maharaja. Like Razia Sultana, she too faced the opposition of many important chiefs who had been under her father, but Rudrama Devi succeeded in subduing them. So even like Razia Sultana, nobles in her kingdom, they did not like a woman ruling and killed her, no, Razia Sultana. In the same way, even Rudrama Devi have faced many oppositions from chiefs, means all the ministers or higher officials in that kingdom, saying that what is this, a girl is ruling. She have faced many problems, but she is successful. She stood for herself, means she fought for herself that even I am equal to a boy, and she achieved many success like that. Rudrama and her grandson Prataparudra faced many revolts and took several steps to control these chiefs. But Kayat's Ambadeva, one of her subordinate, revolted against her. So this Rudrama Devi and her grandson Prataparudra, who were there, they fought many battles. They took many revolts, several steps they took to control the chiefs. Means they were against her. No, they were taking many steps to control them. But this Ambadeva, one of her subordinate who is there under her, who is working this Ambadeva, he revolted against her for all these, for controlling chiefs and all. He did not like that. In the war that took place at Chandupatla in Nalagonda district, Rudramadevi lost her life. So finally, in one of the war which took place in Nalgonda, Chandupatla district, in that war, Rudramadevi lost her life. Means she died in that war. So you can see the pictures here. How is Rudramadevi looking like a boy, riding horse. She's very dare and dashing, handling this big sword and all, right? And even the pictures you can see here, a segment of interior earth wall with its dry moat at right. So how is the land, walls and all? You can see that. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.